What's happening, everybody? It's 8:23 a.m. I got an offer from DoorDash to go to Walgreens and shop for just one item. I don't remember how much money I'm going to get. I think it's around $8 for, I think maybe about 4 miles. Guess what we're getting? 4 cases of water.
Was there some back there? Awesome.
All right. All right, I'm done.
No, to the right.
That's like Amazon.
Oh, no, okay.
Oh. And I'm Pokemon and that's baseball.
Hey, you can come up, I'm just.
Can I have you come back here so I can wait on these other people?
Yeah, that's what I was just telling you.
Okay. Next one, right, please.
Alright. Hello. 4 cases.
DoorDash?
Yeah, DoorDash.
Oh, it's not upstairs. For you.
It's upstairs.
Is it really? Oh my
Unfortunately.
gosh.
I'll survive. Done it before.
The one that was to the right of it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's all the same thing. Those are just battle decks.
Great, thank you. What a special treat this is gonna be. Doesn't love delivering all this water. start the day. I gotta find the building first. I mean, let's see. Is this one on the right? Oh, one on the left. One here on the left. Couldn't be more difficult. They have their door open, so I can't even read their apartment number to confirm. Oh boy. $20 an hour for this job. Hello. You're welcome. you go. You're welcome. Have a good day. That was a hell of a workout. We're gonna be going to Vaughn's. I'm gonna get $7 and change for maybe 3.5 miles. That sounds about right. Extra large? Where are the large ones? Those are medium. Extra large? I don't see any large. They didn't have the coleslaw the person wanted, so I got a substitute, but they haven't approved it yet. right, I asked somebody about that cheese. It's like an organic cheese, and they said they don't carry it, which I don't know why it's in the app, but whatever. Now I gotta find something similar. I don't know if I have anything organic, but they do have cheddar. So let me try sending them a substitute. I can't believe I need to get just such a small number of items, and 2 of the items are substitutes, and I haven't heard back from the customer. I'm probably going to end up getting them because the customer's not responding and they got to get something.
Welcome. If you have your club card, please scan it now. $8.99. If you have your club card, please scan it now. $2.50. $1.99. Enter your item. 2. Place your item in the bag. $5.98.
The following instructions. Leave at my door.
The day's not going so hot. It is 9:22 a.m. and I've only made $16. I'm sure I'm probably making about $12 an hour, if that, right now. And no offers are coming in. I'm parked over here at Walgreens waiting for another one. I got myself a $6 Subway order. Yeah, about, I think it's like 3 miles. Hello, pick it up for Brent W.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all insecurities are replaced. War with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is
See any Mountain Dew?
searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Mountain Dew for their beverage. They wanted 2 of them, and the employee at Subway was 100% certain that the Mountain Dew was in the refrigerator in bottles or cans, and they weren't. So finally, after a long period of time, the employee finally realized they had to get the Mountain Dew from the drink dispenser, which of course took even longer to get the order completed, and so I can get the heck out of there.
I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Okay. All right, well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Can you believe all this for just $6? And this is Saturday. You would think on a Saturday I would have all these great orders coming in.
The order. They added the following instructions. Hand it to me.
I hope these drinks don't fall. Look, of course it's gonna be a gate. Of course there's a gate. Hello. Here are the drinks. There's your food. Thank you. Have a good one. I got a $10 shopping order to go to Vons. It's a lot of units, but the number of items isn't too bad, so I just went ahead and I took it.
Attention service desk. 2, 0, 0.
no luck finding the pizza, and then there was a medical emergency that was going on. Somebody passed out. I don't know what happened. All right, let's get out of here.
Welcome. If you have your club $8.99. If you have your club card, please scan it now. $1.99. $1.99. $1.99. $5.99. $4.49. $8.99. $8.99. Weigh your item. Please move your item to the bag. 5.48. Weigh your item. Please move your item to the bag. 4.61.
I was going to use the restroom while I was in there after I finished shopping for everything, but the guy who had passed out was right near where the restrooms were, and the paramedics had come in. So yeah, that was scary. Hello.
Hello, how are
I'm
you?
good. How you doing?
Good, good. Coop down
There
there.
you go. There you go.
All right, great. Thank you.
Here you go.
I don't see you very well.
All right. Okay. Take care.
very
Thank
much.
you. Take care.